Hi everyone! Today I'm filming my everyday makeup tutorial slash the one I'm going to be wearing to school this year. Okay, 4 seconds ago I had 2 hair clips and now I only have 1. So basically I'm going to take you through how I do my makeup every day that I wear makeup. And I'm really trying to do my makeup more this year because I was so bad about it last year. And it's not like you need to wear makeup to school or anything, it's just I like it and I gotta take a sip of water. So basically I'm just gonna pin back my hair so it's out of the way because I lost the other clip, so stuck dealing with this. Oh, I forgot to get my makeup. Life hack for if you've got a bag like this, dump it. So I'm starting out with my Nivea balm like I did last video. Way too much. I've got a new approach. I'm not blending it in with my beauty blender this time because oh hello. Frankly, I don't care that much. It should feel a little tacky, I think. So last video I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, but I got a new foundation. The ColourPop No Filter, and this one is so much better. Oh my god, I totally missed. Ew. And since I have bangs, I don't put as much on my forehead, but that little drip there was supposed to be on my forehead and it's not. So that's cool, I guess. I'm not sure whether it's my new sponge or my new foundation that works so much better, but I'm gonna say it's the foundation because this stuff is like amazing and it's dripping down my face, so I'm gonna blend it out now. But yeah, for my dry skin, it works like really well. Okay, now that I look like the corpse bride, it's time for concealer. I think I bought the wrong shade of this. It's the Makeup Revolution concealer, but like it's not any much darker than my actual skin, which is why I think I bought the wrong shade, because I wanted one that I could kind of highlight with, but they were completely sold out of the lightest shade, so I'm wearing C3 instead. I'm baking my face now. I use coty airspun, and I don't know how to get the little grate off or anything. Oh, it looks like it's taped down. Whatever, I don't know how to get the little grate off, so I just kind of like, oh, that's way too much. I've got some on there, and then I like look down, make that face, and then get it in the lines of my eyes. It usually makes my eyes look really dry, but then I go back and fix it up later. And there's usually some on the powder puff, and I kind of just wipe that over the rest. And then I go in with a big brush and kind of like buff it off. Okay, then I'm gonna bronze with my orange bronzer. I use this as blush too, like in a pinch. I just kind of get it everywhere. I don't usually wear blush, so this works. At this step, I usually do some setting spray, and I have the bedescu aloe green tea cucumber one. And so usually I wouldn't fill in my brows, like especially if I'm running late, because these are my natural brows. Like maybe just comb them. while I'm filming this, I might as well show you how I fill in my brows. So I use the ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil in black and brown, because as you can see, my eyebrows are very dark. Oh my god. I got my finger caught. It's not in focus, but basically I just draw a couple lines in the front. And then I get the spoolie. I don't even know if that did anything. And then I draw on a tail. So that's one brow filled in and one brow not, and honestly the difference, like, there isn't really one. It's just like if I've got time then I'll do it, but like it doesn't really matter that much. Okay, I went ahead and did the other eye. So I'm gonna, not the other eye, the other eyebrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in for eyes. I'm just taking a little more concealer because this is a really tacky concealer I found. And I'm putting the tiniest little dot on my eyelid. Well, it's not the tiniest, but like a little dab. And then I just start tapping it out with my finger. I'm grabbing my ColourPop Yes Please palette. I'm only gonna be using 3 shades from this, and it's like kind of a bold look if you're not used to wearing color. But I really like yellow, so I'm gonna be taking Mischief, which is this really bright yellow, Note to Self, which isn't focusing, but it's the brown shade right next to that, and Butter Cake, which is this really yellow gold above that. Those are the only 3 colors I'm taking, and I'm using this really gross stained, it's not gross, it's just stained, but that really stained Wet n Wild brush. I think it's just their like medium crease brush. And taking the yellow, and I'm just blending that in the crease. And then I grab the brown color and deepen it up a little bit. And the thing about yellow, and especially this yellow, is it's not as noticeable as like a red or a blue or a purple or anything like that. So it's a lot easier to get away with. Stuff's not showing up. I just grab more yellow and I'm buffing. And I grabbed a little and ran it along the lower lash line. Okay, so then once you do that, grab this golden yellow color and just put that on the lid. You could do this with a brush, but I feel like the color payoff isn't as good. And also I don't have a good brush for this. And then depending on what I'm feeling, I will grab the brown shade with my finger and tap over the edge. Okay, so this sounds crazy, but this is the step that makes me feel most like a human. So I'm just gonna draw a wing. The problem with this eyeliner is it's not very black. It's not very black, and I would love to be explaining how I do this, but like I gotta like hold my breath or I can't do it. Okay, that's one eyeliner done. Now let's see if I can make a match. I feel like that's good enough. Now I'm going in with the Essence Lash Princess. So usually for lips I'd go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London, but I left that downstairs and I don't feel like going and getting it. And I just got this lip gloss, so I'm gonna use that. And I don't usually wear lip gloss because my lips feel sticky. But this is the ColourPop Ultra Glossy in Flying Horses. And then I don't know why, but I always do this step last. I take my setting spray. This lip gloss kind of tastes like chocolate. I always take my setting spray, do one last spritz. And then I get a fan brush and my highlighter. I'm using Becca in Moonstone. Champagne Pop is too dark for me and it sucks. So then I turn my head kind of so where the light's hitting it, and then put on a highlighter. And then I put on my glasses and let down my bangs. They're a little dirty right now because I need to wash my hair, but like that's basically the look. I prefer a matte lip to a glossy lip, but I mean, it's still pretty. So. Okay, I've got pigtails in and I kind of feel like a weird anime girl. But like, it's cute and I like it, so it stays. Follow me on Instagram at Sexton. I'll put it here, I guess. Alright, my camera's gonna die, so peace out.